Our last topic for this section is mental math. How am I going to encourage students to do subtraction in their head? So our first trick is called breaking up and bridging. And the idea here is I want to take the number that I'm subtracting and break it up into smaller numbers that are easier to subtract. So here I want to do 74 minus 26. It's a little easier for me to subtract 20 from 74. That gives me 54. And then from 54, I can subtract the remaining 6 to get 48. Trading off is the same as our equal additions that we saw earlier, but we want to do it in our heads, right? So again, 74 minus 26, I don't want to have to borrow in my head. And so what I'm going to do is add 4 to both 74 and 26 and turn this into the problem 78 minus 30. And that's a little easier to do in your head. That's going to give me 48. Finally, if you're looking at big numbers with a bunch of zeros at the end, we can, of course, ignore those zeros and just focus on the leading digits in this case. So here I have 7,400 minus 600. I could just focus on the 74 minus 6, and that's 68, and now I can just tack on those last two zeros to get an answer of 6,800. All right, so those are our tricks for mental math.